Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar on Saturday stated that Pakistan and India have agreed to a ceasefire with immediate effect. Speaking to media, Dar expressed gratitude to the countries that played a role in achieving the ceasefire, noting that the diplomatic efforts were underway throughout the day, following which a ceasefire agreement was reached. He specifically acknowledged the role played by the US Secretary of the State, Marco Rubio, in the process. The Deputy Prime Minister said that Pakistan has always strived for peace in the region without compromising on its sovereignty and the territorial integrity. Giving a decisive response to the Indian aggression, Pakistan has destroyed India's highly priced S-400 air defense system in Adampur as a part of the Operation Bunyanul Marsoos. S-400 system worth rupees $1.5 million was obliterated by Pakistan's Air Force JF-17 Thunder's hypersonic missiles. The precision strike marks a major setback to India's air defense capabilities. Pakistan Air Force also disrupted the Indian satellite communications, with the targeted military satellites ceasing to function following the jamming operation. A series of the powerful pre-dawn explosions rocked the cities of the Srinagar and Jammu in occupied Kashmir early Saturday, heightening the fears amid escalating tensions between India and Pakistan. Multiple loud blasts were heard around 4:30 a.m. in the Jammu city, which has since been plunged into a total blackout. Similar explosions were reported from various parts of the Srinagar, triggering widespread panic among the residents. The Indian officials confirmed that the explosions occur near the vital installations, including the Srinagar airport. Indian military has admitted that Pakistan's retaliatory airstrikes caused significant damage to multiple defense installations and air bases across India. During a press conference in New Delhi with the Indian Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, senior Indian military officers Colonel Sophia Qureshi and Wing Commander Vomika Singh confirmed that Pakistan targeted 26 strategic locations using the jets, missiles and the drones.